Hello friends, I am Omkar Samre and you are watching Maths is Life. Today we will see how to draw three-sided square or spherical triangle. Before knowing what is three-sided square, I want to ask you one question. There is one bear who is living in area A from many years. One day he started moving from A to B in south direction. After reaching B, he turned towards west and moved some distance and reached C. He again turns towards north and moved some distance, and surprisingly he again reached point A. Then you think how it is possible that he can reach the same point by turning only twice 90 degrees. But the question is, what is the color of that bear? Before answering this question, we will see what is three-sided square and what is spherical triangles. Before some days, I have uploaded the video for three-sided square, but didn't give any explanation why this is possible. But today, we will see how it is possible. First, see what will happen if we draw a straight line on the plane. The straight line on the plane always move in only one direction. So if it is moving towards south, it will always move towards south. If it is moving towards east, it will always move towards east. But when it comes on curve, when we draw a straight line on curve, it will be different. So sometimes line is moving towards north, sometimes line is moving towards south, and it can move in different directions according to the curves. Every different type of curves have different curvatures. So some shapes have only one-sided curvatures, like this bottle. This bottle have only one-sided curvature. It is curved from one side and plane from other side. If we take ball, then it is curved from all the sides. It doesn't matter how much you rotate the ball. Every time the curve is same. If you take the funnel or the upper side of bottle, then they have opposite curvatures. Like from one side it is going downward and from one side it is going upward. So the funnel have opposite curvatures. According to curvatures, we can draw n-sided squares. Like on this sphere, we can draw three-sided square. On the plane, we can draw four-sided square. Similarly, on the shapes like funnel, we can draw five-sided squares. I was not able to get funnel for this video, but I managed to draw the five-sided square on the base of this earth. So you can see here five-sided square, which have five equal sides and five 90-degree angles. Similarly, you can draw n-sided squares on different curvatures. What do you think? Can we draw a three-sided square on the plane surface? Let's try. First, draw this three-sided square on orange fruit. Now let's remove this shape from this orange. If you are thinking how to draw this shape on orange, then don't worry, you can directly cut the orange in four equal parts and then cut it from middle, so you will get each part as a three-sided square. Let's first remove this. So I have here removed the three-sided square from the orange. So here you can see, here is curve on the all points. There is no plane surface on the orange. Even if you try to make it plane, then the lines are not straight and it will always pop up from the other side. So you can't draw actually the three-sided square on the plane surface. Let's move towards our question of the bear. In that question, we have seen the bear is moving towards south, then east and then north, and surprisingly he is reaching at the same point. So suppose if the bear is at this point, then he will move towards south, then he will move towards east, and then again he will move towards north and reach at the same point where he has started. So we want to find that particular point on the earth where it is possible. Let's assume we have started from India. Then according to question, we should go towards south, then we should move towards west, so we will move towards west, then we will go towards north, so we will go towards north, but we are not reaching India again, so that point cannot be in India. So you can try this for any point on the earth. You will get only one point, that is North Pole, where you will go towards the south, then you will go towards west, and then we will move towards north and reaching the same point again. So I will draw the path. We will start from this point, north pole, then we will move towards south, then some distance in west, and then again we will move towards north, like this. And we have again reached to our original point. So according to our question, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So the bear moves from point A to B, then turn towards west, move from B to C, then turns towards north, then C to A. It is not necessary that this angle must be 90 degree. It can be 90 degree or more or less. But these two angles must be 90 degree because we are moving towards direction like south then west. So the directions are always in perpendicular lines. So there is only one point where that bear can live, and that is North Pole. And on the North Pole, only polar bears can live, and the color of polar bears is white. So the color of the bear is white. So friends, I think this explanation is enough for three-sided square. If you want to ask me doubts regarding this topic or any math related doubts, then you can ask me on this email ID mathsisline1729@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on 7588305994. And yes friends, don't forget to like and share the video, and also subscribe to channel for more interesting updates of mathematics. And always, thanks for watching.